This is OPPO A77 and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls for this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings, enter the users and accounts category and remove all Google accounts that you have added or that you have over here, listed over here, if you have any to begin with. So let me remove the only account that I have personally, then get back to the main settings page, re-enter another category, that is Google this time. Then tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account, so let me quickly do that. Onwards, select the account you have just logged into from the list over here. And now enter another credentials for another Google account, but this time to the parent account. Or to put it in other terms, input the password to the Google account you will be using to supervise your child, which is not exactly, simpler terms, but still does its job to explain things. Anyway, so input your Google account credentials that you will use to supervise and look after your child. You know the drill. Input the email, then followed by typing in the account password. Then you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page, which requires you to enter the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the Agree button. After that, you will be forwarded to the Allow Supervision selection. In here, obviously go for the allow and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. After that, hit the next button. Managing child's apps tab you can absolutely skip. There's no need to do this right now. It will not affect setup in any way, so let's just skip it. The same will apply for the following step, that is managing filters, settings and age restrictions. Then, if the device that is highlighted over here in the bold font is the same phone or tablet you will be using to supervise your child, you can tap at this button that says Install Family Link and the needed app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your parental phone, or you can just manually get it from the Google Play Store. That's the way that I'll go for. As you can see, the parental controls were successfully enrolled at the child's end. So now you gotta take whatever device you wanted to supervise your child from, open the Play Store and get the Family Link app. Now launch the app, sign into the Family Link with the parental Google account, and here is the full list of controls that you have an access to. For instance, you can set the daily usage limits for your child's device or downtime routine for your child as well. Completely tailor your child's app experience by going for the app limits controls. Apply or install the content restrictions and age filters. Monitor your child's location if you will set up the location access at the child's device. And see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.